Let's make photo manipulation. Bring a background and adjust it. Apply exposure, color lock, and blur effect on background. Bring a table in PNG and adjust it. Apply exposure and color balance and adjust its values. Bring a book in PNG and adjust it. Apply exposure on book and adjust its values. Apply level and inverse its mask and brush with white on some parts. Apply color balance on book and adjust its values. Take new layer and brush with light yellow and put blend dot mood to soft light. Take another layer and brush with dark yellow and put blend mood to soft light. Take new layer under book and brush with black to give shadow. Bring yellow smoke in PNG and adjust it. Make copy of smoke and put blend mood to color dodge. Make two more copy of smoke and put blur effect on it. Take to new layer brush with yellow and put blend dot mood to color dodge and soft light. Bring a min in PNG and adjust it. Apply color balance and exposure and adjust its values. Apply hue saturation and inverse its mask and brush with white. Bring particle image and put blend mood to screen. Apply hue saturation and put mask on image and start brushing. Make copy of particle and again start brushing. Take new layer and brush behind man and put blend mood to soft light. Thank you for watching.